Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to fix Photoshop flickering issues. As you can see, when you go to new document with Flickr. So what you're going to do is, first step, you're going to turn off your Wi-Fi. And as you can see, it doesn't let you create a new document even though you turn it off. So what you're going to do next is go to Photoshop, Preference, General, and enable Use Legacy New Document Interface, and hit OK. And what you're going to do is hit Command N or just create new, and as you can see, you can create new document just fine. And what you're going to do next is you can re-enable your Wi-Fi, or that's optional, but yeah. And then yeah, that's it. You can create new document just fine. And the most important part is going offline before you go to Preference and General. Otherwise, your Photoshop will crash. I have no idea why. I just tried it out just now. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.